Chapter 5, Tutorial 1. Open a new file. Select the model template. Enter the name c05tut1. Select the Create a Sketch tool. Select YZ plane. We are going to create the first sketch. Select the line tool, horizontal length 145, angle 0, reduce the dimension size, select line tool, start from origin, vertical line 90 mm, angle of 90. This completes our first feature, base sketch. Finish the sketch. By default, the section is already selected. Select the extrude dialog box. In the start limit, say symmetric value. Enter 36 in the dialog box. Now 36 symmetrically it is extruded now, minus 36 and plus 36. Click to see all dialog options. Open here. In the offset rollout, select two-sided offset rollout. Enter 25 in the start and 0 in the end limit. Our first feature has been created. Hide the sketch. Now create the sketch for the second feature. Select the rectangle tool. From the origin to a width of 72 mm and a height of 6 mm. Now finish the sketch. Invoke the extrude command. Reverse direction. Start from 0 to a distance of 50 mm. And in the Boolean operation, select subtract. We have created the second feature. Hide the sketch. Create the sketch for third feature. Here we can include the y-axis. as well as from the project curve we can include the edge of the base feature. Select a circle, draw the circle to a diameter of 24 mm. Edit the dimension to 50 mm. Draw the horizontal lines. Now invoke the trim, delete the unwanted curves. This completes the sketch for the third feature. Now select extrude, reverse the direction, select through all, select subtract in the boolean operation, say OK, hide the sketch, create the sketch for the fourth feature. Similarly, include the z-axis. From the project curve, include the base feature extrude. Draw a circle to diameter 60 mm. Create a horizontal line and you can give offset this line to 36 mm. Select quick trim. Now finish the sketch. Select extrude, reverse direction, starting from 0 to a distance of 12 mm. Select the boolean subtract, say OK. This completes the fourth feature. Now create the fifth feature. Create the sketch. Select the circle option to diameter 24 mm. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Select through all. Reverse direction. Subtract. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Select the view rotate option so that we can able to see the model. Now orient view to isometric. Save the model and close all parts. This completes chapter 5 tutorial 1.